have some eggs, please? Okay, let's go and get some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Wow! We have more 8,
There's one there.
9, 10. 10 eggs here. Wow! Thank you, cow. Thank you very much. Oh, so I'm gonna feed the calf. Yes. Look, it's full. Now it's going to. Look how it's drinking it. So fast. Empty.
Look, it has a big mouth.
Yes, it has a big mouth and it's hungry.
And that is the biggest
All right. We're going to feed the calf. Yeah. Let's go and give them some milk. Yum, 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 yum. They're hungry. What are they? Say they're hungry.
They're hungry.
Yes. Wow. What? It's empty.
How
It's finished. Must have been very hungry. Wow. Okay, shall we go? Yes. Hand. Okay, wash your hand. Clean your hand, clean your hand, clean your hand.
Mom.
What are you doing?
Chopping chips.
Chopping the potatoes?
Yeah.
Yes, Odin is chopping potatoes. Yum, yum. Okay, let's cook the food. Okay, I think my food is ready. Is yours ready?
Oh, it's not ready. I need chips.
You need to chop more. Okay. Be careful, it's hot. You want to put it in a bowl? What is this? It's a bowl. Yeah? We put them in a bowl. Wow. Put them down on the table.
Oh, I want to give you food.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make some salad here, you know. I'll put all the food in here. Shall I put the potato inside here to steam it?
Oh, I know.
Steam the potato.
No, we can make it something squish it inside.
Okay, leave it there for now to be steamed. Oh, okay, we'll come back to it later. Put the knife back. This is a knife. Knife. Put it back. Put all the knives back. Okay, and now let's go and have. Okay, you're gonna put the meat there. I'm gonna cook some vegetables.
Wait, I need the.
Look, we've got broccoli, sweet corn, lettuce. Would you like to have your octopus?
No, thanks.
Okay, I'll leave the octopus here then. I want some more broccoli.